Here are the fast 5 animals who are clearly doing petty revenge. 1. Cats knocking things off counters for fun. They don't want it. They just want you to suffer. Dogs who stare at you while chewing something they weren't supposed to have. They want you to watch the crime unfold. Birds squawking at 6 a.m. like they're your alarm clock. They don't care about your sleep. They care about chaos. 4. Goldfish that splash water out of the tank when they're mad. Tiny, angry, dangerous. Hamsters running on their wheel at full speed at 3 a.m. Pure spite. No reason, no remorse. Animals don't get even. They get petty.